Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best fort building kit is probably one of the most versatile and engaging toys you can get for your kids, offering endless hours of creative fun and imaginative play as they design, construct, and personalize their very own secret hideaways and epic fortresses, transforming any room into a world of adventure and discovery. Number 5. Obuby Kids Fort Building Kit 120 Pieces. Introducing our ultimate fort building kit, featuring 120 pieces including sticks and balls. It's everything your child needs to construct forts of all shapes and sizes. Designed for children aged 3 and up, this kit offers flexible STEM fun. They can build caves, tents, rockets, castles, and so much more with just a blanket. Our fort kit is made with premium, durable plastic. The pieces easily connect by inserting and twisting, allowing for quick assembly and disassembly without any structural collapse. This is an ideal creative toy for multiple children to play with together. They can plan, solve problems, and construct various imaginative structures, making it a perfect gift. Included is a storage bag, making this fort kit portable for both indoor and outdoor adventures. It's easy to take anywhere for hours of creative play. We are committed to providing you with a great product and service. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we're here to help if you have any concerns. What we like. This kit offers a massive 120 pieces, providing endless possibilities for creative construction. It's designed for flexible STEM learning, encouraging problem solving and teamwork. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that can grow with your child and offers great value, this is a fantastic choice for inspiring young builders. What people say. The kit includes a variety of connectors and rods that allow for creative and stable structures. The pieces are durable and easy for children to assemble and disassemble on their own. It encourages imaginative play and problem-solving skills as kids design and build different fort shapes. Number 4. Tiny Land Fort Building Kit. Introducing the Tiny Land Fort Building Kit, a creative indoor and outdoor toy designed for endless fun. It's perfect for sparking imagination in children aged 5 to 12. This 130-piece set includes 86 rods and 44 balls, making it easy to assemble and disassemble. Kids can build anything they can imagine, from castles to rockets, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills. Gather the family for hours of collaborative fun. Building a fort together creates lasting memories and encourages teamwork, offering a delightful challenge for both kids and parents. Surprise your child with a gift that inspires creativity and learning. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion, suitable for kids aged 5 to 12. Crafted with high-quality, non-toxic materials, this fort building kit meets strict safety standards. The durable poles and elastic balls ensure safe and long-lasting play for your little ones. Explore a variety of building options with our versatile kit. Tiny Land is dedicated to providing fun and engaging toys that cater to every child's needs and preferences. What we like. With 86 rods and 44 balls, this kit provides a solid foundation for building complex structures. It's highlighted as a great toy for family fun, encouraging shared building experiences. If you want a durable and safe option that can engage both kids and parents in collaborative play, this is an excellent pick. What people say. This is a great toy for kids to build and play with. The kit comes with a lot of pieces, so kids can build many different things. It is easy for kids to put together and take apart. Number 3. Tiny Land Glow Fort Building Kit. Introducing the Tiny Land Glow Fort Building Kit, a creative construction toy for kids. It includes 86 rods and 44 balls for endless building possibilities. Expose the glow-in-the-dark rods to light to charge them. The longer they absorb light, the brighter they glow, creating a magical playtime experience. Let your child's creativity soar. They can build caves, tunnels, rockets, tents, forts, and houses. The possibilities are truly endless. This is a great toy for kids aged 5 to 12, perfect for family playtime. It encourages teamwork, communication, and social skills. This educational toy enhances imagination, spatial awareness, and problem-solving skills. It offers screen-free fun and hands-on learning. Looking for a unique gift? This high-quality fort building kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. It sparks creativity and delivers hours of fun. What we like. This kit stands out with its glow-in-the-dark rods, transforming playtime into a magical experience after dark. It offers 130 pieces for extensive building adventures. If your child loves imaginative play and you're looking for a unique way to extend fort building into the evening, this glowing option is sure to be a hit. What people say. The fort building kit is easy to assemble and provides hours of creative play for children. The sturdy connectors hold the rods securely, allowing kids to build various structures like castles and tunnels. Made from durable, non-toxic materials, this kit is safe for indoor and outdoor use and promotes problem-solving skills. Number 2. Fort Building Kit for Kids STEM Construction Toys. Introducing a revolutionary fort building kit designed to spark creativity and endless fun. This ultimate set is perfect for indoor and outdoor adventures. With our innovative Connect system, building is a breeze. The rods and connectors easily snap together, creating sturdy structures that won't fall apart. It's light yet durable, perfect for little hands. From caves and tunnels to castles and rockets, the possibilities are limitless. Add a blanket and create a magical hideaway for reading or playing. It's big enough for multiple kids to join the fun. This construction toy enhances STEM skills, improving imagination, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. It's a fantastic way for children to learn teamwork and cooperation while playing together. Looking for a unique gift? This fort building set is an ideal educational present for birthdays, holidays, or any special day. It's the perfect indoor activity for rainy days and family fun. Crafted from premium, safe ABS plastic, this toy set meets all U.S. toy safety standards. We offer a 180-day refund or replacement policy for any quality concerns. What we like. Boasting 140 pieces and an easy-to-use, creative Connect system, this kit makes building large and complex forts a breeze. It's specifically designed to enhance STEM skills and problem-solving abilities. If you need a robust set that's simple to assemble and disassemble, and you want to actively boost your child's engineering and math skills, this is the ultimate creative set. What people say. The fort building kit is easy to assemble and provides hours of creative play for children. The sturdy connectors hold the rods securely, allowing for stable fort structures. The kit includes a variety of rods and connectors, offering endless possibilities for different fort designs. Number 1. Tiny Land Play Tent with Padded Mat and LED Lights. This kids' indoor tent offers ample space for your little ones to play, read, or even have sleepovers. It's perfect for creating a cozy reading nook or a fun play cave. Setting up this toddler playhouse is a breeze, taking an adult about 15 minutes with no tools needed. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the simple assembly process. Children can enjoy reading, playing, and sleeping inside this sturdy and safe tent. Its high expandability makes it suitable for playrooms, bedrooms, or even outdoor adventures on sunny days. Featuring neutral, elegant colors and textured fabrics, this tent adds a touch of sophistication to any room. The charming curtains with white polka dots enhance its unique aesthetic. As a top brand, we are committed to the highest quality standards. From material selection to meticulous craftsmanship, this tent is built to exceed your expectations. What we like. This option is a spacious play tent, measuring 52 inches long, perfect for creating a cozy reading nook or a small play space. It's incredibly easy to assemble, requiring no tools and taking about 15 minutes. If you're looking for a dedicated, aesthetically pleasing indoor space for your child to play or read, rather than a build-it-yourself fort structure, this tent is an ideal choice. What people say. The connectors are sturdy and hold the rod securely, allowing for complex structures. The kit includes a variety of rod lengths and connector types, offering great versatility for different designs. The pieces are lightweight yet durable, making it easy for children to build and move their creations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.